Welcome back to all. Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic on immunology, that is transplantation. Actually, our immune system of our body have the power to discriminate between self and non-self. Our immune system generally recognize foreign antigen. This discriminatory power of our immune system between self and non-self is undesirable in the case of tissue transplantation from one individual to another individual for therapeutic purposes. This discriminatory power, causes graft rejection, reject the transplant organ. Before going to discuss about the mechanism behind graft rejection, we need to understand various gradation in relationship between donor and recipient. There are 4 types of graft. One is isograft. Isograft means transplantation of organ from one individual to another individual. These individuals are genetically identical individual. For example, in human, genetically identical individual is monozygotic twins. Next graft is allograft. Allograft is the transplantation of organ between genetically different organism but within one species. Next one is genograft. Genograft between transplantation between different species. Autograft means transplanting organ from one place to another place but within the same individual. These are 4 types of graft. Now we will discuss what are the mechanism behind graft rejection. Transplanting tissue that is not immunologically privileged site generate possibility that the recipient cell recognize donor tissue as foreign and provide immune response against that recipient, against that donor tissue. This trigger the recipient immunomechanism which may destroy the donor tissue. Such response is called graft rejection reaction. But when we transplanting a organ which is immunologically privileged site, this site characterized by there is no circulation of lymphocyte, and this site is not rejected by our immune system. For example, transplantation of cornea is not rejected because lymphocytes are not circulated the anterior chamber of our eye. So these sites are immunologically privileged site, and this transplanting organ in this site are not rejected. Another example is transplanting heart valve. There are 2 mechanisms behind graft rejection. First mechanism is foreign class 2 MSC molecule on transplanted tissue or the graft is recognized by host helper T cell that at cytotoxic T cell and this cytotoxic T cell destroy graft. Cytotoxic T cell recognize the graft through the foreign MSC1 molecule and destroy the graft. This is the first mechanism. Second mechanism is T helper cell reacting with the graft and releasing various kind of cytokines. These cytokines attract many macrophages to the graft, and these macrophages act as phagocytotic cell and destroy graft. These are 2 mechanisms behind graft rejection. Actually, the MSC molecule play a dominant role in tissue rejection reaction because of their unique association with the recognition system of T cell. Thank you.